Hey guys, Eitan, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video, I am challenging myself to eat only frozen food for an entire week. That is 7 days. I'm kind of excited, kind of not excited about this. I'm excited because I like trying new things, and I'm not excited because I'm eating frozen dinners for a week. It's gonna be crazy. So let's just get started. Frozen dinners. Frozen dinners are dinners that you usually eat on a busy night when you don't have time to make real dinner, or a late night when you get back home, you just need to pop something in the microwave, pop something in the oven, that'll be ready in like 5-10 minutes. That is what a frozen dinner is. It is not something that you eat every single day, but that's what I'm doing. Alright, so before I can actually eat the food, let's now head to the store and get all the frozen dinners, and I'm just gonna see how many I can get. I wanna get a wide variety, get some like pizzas, get some chicken, get all the different types of frozen food. I'm gonna get some that I'm excited to eat and some that I'm dreading to eat. Alright, so I'm at the supermarket now. I don't know if it's gonna be packed in there, so I'm gonna just start over here, and if there's a lot of people and I can't talk, I'll just do a voiceover. Alright, so I got all my items. Check this out right over here. I'm pretty confident what I got. There's a few things I'm nervous about, a few things I'm excited to eat. Alright, so I just checked out, and the total is $66.31, which breaks down to about $8-9 a day for dinner. I kind of feel like it would just be the same price, if not maybe a few dollars more, just to get like takeout pizza. So these frozen dinners better be delicious, because for the same amount of money, I could basically just buy pizza or like a small order of takeout. Okay, so for day one, I started off easy with the thing that I was most excited for, which was a frozen pizza. I've only had frozen like bagel pizzas in the past, but I was excited to try this. So what I did is I took it out, preheated my oven to around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then once it was hot, I popped it in the oven, let it cook. It was a little bit of a fiasco because there was some like smoke coming from things that were dripping on the bottom, but in the end, I got the pizza there, and then it was eating time. All right, so dinner one is complete. I'm starting off tonight with the margarita pizza thin crust from this company called Tuscanini. Let's just give it a try. So I popped in the oven. As you may have saw in those clips, it was a little bit smoky in my oven, so yeah, that might make it a little bit smoky pizza, who knows, but looks pretty good, I have to say. Like, I'm actually pretty excited to eat this. All right, let's give it a try. Crust looks good, the cheese looks good. I'm pretty excited. The only thing I will comment, it's definitely not a margarita pizza. Margarita pizzas usually have sauce and then blotches of fresh mozzarella. This kind of just looks like a regular cheese pizza, but that's just me being a stickler about pizza. All right, I would have to say I'm pleasantly surprised with this. Is it the best pizza I've ever had? Definitely not. Is it the worst pizza I've ever had? No, close to it, because I don't think I've really ever had a frozen pizza like this more than a few times, except like frozen pizza bagels. Definitely not the worst, definitely not the best. Somewhere like in the middle, closer to the worst, but like definitely like fully like edible. Like, I'm gonna eat the rest of this and I will enjoy my dinner. So I would give this, if I were to say, I'd give it around 6.5 out of 10. I'm happy, it's a good dinner. So dinner number one was a success. Next up is day two, and we're doing corn dogs. It is corn dog time. I'm slightly excited about this, slightly not excited, because I like corn dogs, I think, but I don't like hot dogs. I kind of just like the coating on the outside, to be honest. So what I just did for these is you could do them in the oven or in the deep fryer. I prefer to do them in the deep fryer because, I mean, it's a corn dog. Don't you want it deep fried? So I heated up some oil, popped them into the oil, cooked them until I thought they were perfection. You'll see for a second, and then it is eating time. All right, it is now time for corn dogs. I'm actually kind of excited about this one. I don't know how it'll actually taste, but just the whole concept of frying them and then eating them just sounds like a lot of fun. I honestly don't know what you eat corn dogs with, if not just like some ketchup. So we're just gonna go with that. And yeah, I guess let's just dig in. Let's see how they are. I have high hopes. Okay, I just realized the inside of the hot dog is still frozen, so I'll be back. I'm gonna fry them for a few more minutes. All right, I'm back with some fully cooked corn dogs, and I mean, I have to say, even just from the bite I had before, they're pretty delicious. I mean, it's a corn dog. Check it out. Let's see if we can get this to focus. A nice corn dog right over here, and now let's just see if I was able to finally fully cook them. I have to say, that was pretty delicious. I can actually see myself eating these again. The outside super nice and crunchy. I think that's because I deep fried it. I think if you made it in the oven or the microwave, like it said, it might not be as crunchy. But doing it deep fried, the outside's crunchy, and then the inside of the coating is nice and soft. The hot dog on the inside is pretty good. I usually like literally never eat hot dogs, but in a corn dog, I make an exception. Honestly, like, I see myself eating this again. If I were to rate this out of 10, I would give it like an 8 out of 10. pretty delicious, pretty easy, quick. Like if I can see myself eating this, if I'm like have a busy weeknight where I just need something super quick and easy out of the freezer, I can actually see myself eating this. All right, it is now day 3, and I've literally been home all day just doing math work right now on my iPad because my math final is tomorrow. And to be honest, I'm kind of loving this challenge. I thought I would hate it at first, but I'm actually loving it because like I never have to worry about what's for dinner. Like I know obviously my mom will make dinner, but like I never have to think about it. It's just like, oh, I know what I'm eating. I'm eating something that's from the freezer. It's a crazy time of year, so usually we do have meals together, but when it's crazy time for finals, we're not necessarily all eating together as a family. So it's been actually really great. All right, let's see. So I figured since tonight I'm kind of excited, let's see if there are any food options that I'm excited to eat. Let's see. Ooh, I know. I have been dying to try these, so I'm gonna do these for dinner tonight. Just went off. I think my chicken, they're not real chicken, guys. I forgot to mention that. They're not real chicken. It's fake chicken. Oh shoot, where am I gonna put it? Where am I gonna put it? I'm gonna put it here for right now. All right, they're done. Looking pretty all right. Over here I have the sauce. So I'm gonna add these pieces of chicken into the sauce like it said. So let's take these pieces of chicken, all right, and add them straight into the sauce. It's chicken time. Well, actually fake chicken. I'm just having tonight some frozen chicken. We got some chicken strips right over here, and we got some, I believe, like Mongolian chicken. Smells all pretty good, looks pretty good. I have very high hopes. I quickly made myself a little spicy mayo just to eat on there, so let's just try it. All right, it is very interesting. The texture on the inside, I would say somewhere between a chicken nugget and a piece of chicken. It has those fibers and that pull of real chicken. Still has a little bit of that processed, obviously, taste and texture from it being not real chicken and it being a chicken nugget. But overall, like pretty delicious, I have to say. Okay, next up is this chicken with the sauce. I realized I don't have any utensils because this already has a spicy mayo on it. So I'm just gonna go in there with my hands. Kind of reminds me of like General Chow's chicken. Ooh. Okay, the texture of the chicken is good just like last time, but I'm not that into the flavor of this sauce. All right, so I'm definitely loving those chicken nuggets. I could definitely see myself eating those if I'm in a pinch and I need something super quick, but that like sauce thing, no, that was just weird and I don't want to eat any more of that, like ever. Day 4, we're having hors d'oeuvres. Okay, I honestly don't know how to pronounce that. Let's ask my phone because hors d'oeuvres, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm gonna look it up. Okay, let's see. All right, here we go. Let's listen.
Hars doosties. Hars doosties. What a dilucis hardoosties.
I'm like 100% sure that is not how you pronounce it. Okay, let me try another one.
Hors d'oeuvres. I see how many hors d'oeuvres I can put in my mouth, Chuck.
I am very confused. We're just gonna call them little-sized, before the little-sized appetizer dough things. That's what I'm having today. All right, it is only day 3 and I am done. Like, I am done. I do not want to eat frozen food ever again. I'm not even slightly excited about this right now, to be totally honest. The only thing I will say that I do like from this that I know are these like little potato knishes. They're usually just delicious. Oh, okay, we feel good. Okay, next up is the food that I'm not excited for at all. I don't usually eat hot dogs. I know what's in them. I don't want to eat that. I don't like them. I don't think they taste that good. Don't hate on me, but I just don't like hot dogs. And this is now the 2nd day in a row I'm having hot dogs for dinner. These are mini pigs and blankets. So I'll eat like one of them, but I'm definitely eating all of them because like I'm done. No more hot dogs. I feel like all this frozen food is really just some item of food wrapped in dough that's frozen and then put in the oven, which like I usually love things that have dough in them, but like I think I'm done. Okay, I would have to admit, I know I was in like a grumpy mood in the start, but like it's actually a little better than I expected. The only thing is the last item are these like spinach knishes, and I'll be honest, I've eaten this like in the past and I always avoid the spinach ones because I don't think I'm gonna like them. Let's give it a try, an honest try. Ooh, No. Ooh. Okay, to be honest, I don't even know why I tried that spinach. I knew it was gonna be gross. I've always known it was gonna be gross. Why did I even try it? I honestly don't understand. This next one, I honestly am terrified for. When I was in the store, I saw this and I'm like, you know what? I'm just gonna get this to challenge myself. It is something that I know is gonna be gross, but I'm gonna try anyways for the sake of video because I would never try it otherwise, unless it's just for you guys. So this one needs no introduction. Just let's get into it. All right, so I'm now dressed all fancy actually. Definitely not what you usually are dressed in when you're eating a frozen meal. I'm gonna try this right now for dinner quick. I'm headed to my friend Eitan's sister's bat mitzvah. So there's gonna be food there, but I'm just gonna try this because this one I knew was gonna be disgusting. So like, I don't know, it just does not look good. So I figured I'll take a bite, but then I'll actually have food later. So it's kind of cheating, but it's my game, so I can kind of make up the rules. I just opened it and I'm slightly horrified by what I have seen. I'm gonna pop it in the microwave now, but I do not have high, well, yeah, I don't have high hopes for this. I think it's gonna be pretty trash, but let's see. I wish I could say this looked better than it did before it got in the microwave. I don't know if you could see on camera, but ooh, that is a rough one. Okay, I'm gonna go for one bite. I literally have over here a towel in case I cannot swallow it. I'm honestly terrified to eat this. Like, I'm second thoughting doing this video. That potato's not even fully cooked. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. And I was right. That was absolutely disgusting. Oh, like, I want to throw up. Okay, that was gross. This next one, I am very skeptical of. I love fettuccine alfredo. I make fettuccine alfredo all the time. I have a YouTube video. You can click above or down below if you want to learn how to make fettuccine alfredo. And this box claims to have frozen fettuccine alfredo inside of it, and that just does not sound possible to me. Fettuccine alfredo is a delicious thing that is to be made homemade, not to be frozen. I'm very skeptical. I do not think this is going to be good. Let's see if I'm right. All right, to say that I'm not excited for this would be an understatement. There is a mysterious liquid that is falling from it that was like dripping from it when I took it out of the microwave and is now also dripping now. Smells pretty gross. Like, I just can't fathom the idea of fettuccine alfredo being frozen and then re-warmed up. Okay. This is not fettuccine alfredo. Okay, look at this. This is noodles with like maybe butter on it, some mysterious liquid that is definitely not fettuccine alfredo. See what I'm saying? You know what, I am offended on behalf of the Italian people for how gross that was. Like, that is not fettuccine alfredo. I hope that no one ever eats that thinking it's fettuccine alfredo and they're like, you know what, I'm never having fettuccine alfredo again because that's gross. Like, ew. All right, it is day 7. I've survived. There were ups and downs. Today I'm having cheese sticks. Now, they're usually deep fried, but ain't nobody got time for that. So I am just baking them in the oven until they are nice and crispy, and I am very excited for these. So when I popped them in the oven, they kind of goozed, I don't know what that means. They kind of oozed all out. The cheese just kind of came all out. Whoa, I don't know why I cannot say that. But I still think it'd be good. Let's try it. I'm very excited. I've definitely had these before. Check this out. These actually look so good. The cheese spilled out, but how good does that look? All right. Let's go eat this. I'm actually pumped for this one. All right, I'm actually pumped for this. I did not think I'd be excited for this last day, but what can I say? Stranger things have happened. What a t-shirt reference. That's totally me trying to be Lily Singh. Okay, so these like completely kind of melted and all the cheese went out. That usually would be a bad thing. However, oh, I think one of the timers going off in the kitchen. Let's just keep going. However, it leaked out and turned into these like cheese crisps. I'm just gonna wrap around it. I feel like it's gonna make it even more delicious. Oh my god. Oh, good. All right, as expected, those were delicious, and that was a great way to end off these 7 days. There were ups, there were downs. There were parts where I was like, okay, this is really fun, I could do this, and there were parts where I literally wanted to throw up, as you guys saw. I definitely challenge you guys to do one of these challenges. It's kind of fun, and comment down below what other food eating challenges do you want to do. This summer, I hope to do a lot more of these like week-long trying someone else's diet. I definitely want to do trying vegan food just for a week. I love vegan food, so I want to go completely vegan for a week. I'm thinking some like maybe vegetarian. I don't even know. Comment down below, let me know what diet do you want me to try for a week or any other video. video ideas. I would love to hear. This was super fun. If you haven't already, be sure to click that big red subscribe button down below. It is big, it's red, kind of like my face right now. I need to get to the dermatologist. And click that like button if you enjoyed watching this video, and comment down below if you enjoyed watching. All right, this is super fun. I'm now gonna go never eat frozen food ever again in the history of the universe because I am done. No more frozen food for me.